Hi guys, so this could be the zombie. So I'm gonna make a short video. Also my mom. Also guys, so please like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel with the Elgin race. Okay. So this could be the eyes up there. So this could be the bag. So I'm going to remove it. Just see, okay. Just see. So we got the bag. We got the bag now. Okay, this could be the shirts up there. So this could be the hat. And this could be the eyes up there. This could be this. Also, there's armpit there. Like this. What's that? Okay, here's the shirts up there. I'm gonna remove, but I don't want to remove. But I'm speaking English now. So I'm going to look the zombie. I'm going to look the zombie. Here's the mustache and also teeth. Ew, so bad. Okay, here's the hat though. Here's the shoes. So yeah, goodbye.